Are you curious about the AI features in Windows 11 and how they can make your PC smarter and more productive? In 2026, Windows 11 brings even more AI powered tools designed to save you time, improve workflows, and enhance your overall computing experience. Today, we're breaking down the key AI features you need to know. First, let's talk about AI powered Copilot. This feature integrates directly into Windows 11 to assist with tasks like summarizing documents, generating content, managing schedules, and even suggesting system optimizations. It's like having a smart assistant built into your operating system, helping you work faster and smarter. Next, Windows 11 has AI enhanced search and recommendations. The system now understands context better, helping you find files, apps, and settings more efficiently. It can also provide personalized app and tool recommendations based on your usage patterns, making your PC feel more intuitive than ever. Another exciting update is AI-driven security and threat detection. Windows 11 uses artificial intelligence to detect unusual activity, malware, or potential vulnerabilities. This proactive approach helps keep your system safer and prevents problems before they affect your workflow. AI for accessibility is also a standout. Features like voice typing, live captions, and intelligent screen readers make Windows 11 more user-friendly for everyone. The AI adjusts dynamically to improve accuracy, making communication and navigation smoother. Finally, AI in multitasking and productivity tools has been improved. Features like snap layouts, virtual desktops, and task suggestions now leverage AI to optimize your workflow, helping you stay organized and efficient while managing multiple projects at once. By embracing these AI features in Windows 11 2026, you can transform how you work, create, and interact with your PC. The system is smarter, faster, and more helpful than ever before. If this video helped you understand the AI capabilities in Windows 11, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more. Windows 11 tips and AI features updates in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.